Hello everyone, welcome to Computer Science and IT Gate Coaching. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get the instant notification of my free lecture. In this lecture we are going to see power of sigma. So here same like when we do a to the power 0, a to the power 2 like this. So same here we are going to see what is going to be the power of sigma. So when I will put sigma to the power 0, what it means, sigma to the power 1, what it means, sigma to the 2, what it means. Okay. So here we are going to see power of sigma. So what sigma 0 means? See here. So first I am defining sigma. Let sigma be defined over a comma b. That is sigma is your here a comma. Means I am assuming that our symbol input alphabet is ab. Now what sigma 0 means? Sigma 0 means set of all string of length 0. Means it is going to be sigma 0 means set of all string of length 0. Means the string which is having length 0, so it is represented by epsilon. So in some book they represent it by pi, and even GATE exam sometimes they will use lambda. Okay, so these three means same, that length, this is a string whose length is 0. Okay, whose length is 0. Okay, so either this or this. Now sigma 1 means set of all string of length 1. It is going to be a string of length 1. Similarly sigma 2 set of all string of length 2. So what are the strings of length 2? A B, B A, B B, like this. Okay. Similarly sigma is whatever will be the power to the sigma, that is going to be the number of the string of that length. So sigma n means set of all string of length n. Okay. Now see sigma 3. So we have seen sigma 0, sigma 1, sigma 2. So what is the use of that? If in GATE exam they will ask you sigma 16. Okay, if they will ask you sigma 16. So you have, if you will do like this sigma 0, sigma 1, it will take time. So in GATE exam what they will do? They will give you sigma 15. They will give you sigma 15. Then they will ask you sigma 16. So what is going to be the sigma 16? Sigma 16 is going to be the either sigma dot sigma 15. So that is going to give you sigma 16, or in this way you can write sigma 15 dot. Okay. So both way you can calculate. So I have taken for sigma 3. So for sigma 3 you can write like sigma dot sigma square or sigma square dot sigma. Okay. So both this power will be add up and it will give you sigma 3. So for sigma is AB and sigma 2 is your A, AB, BA, BB. So you have to do concatenation. You have to take every string from this set and you have to concatenate with all the string that is present here. So A dot A. So A triple A, AB, AB, then A, BA. See, AB. Then A, BB. Okay. Similarly for B, BA, then BAB, then BBA, like this. Okay. So it is going, sigma 3 is going to give a set of all string of length 3. Now what is sigma plus? So sigma plus is an infinite union of sigma 1, sigma 2, sigma 3, sigma 4, keep on. Okay, it's an infinite union of from sigma 1, like sigma 1 union sigma 2 union sigma 3 union sigma 4. So it is not having only sigma 0, that is epsilon. Other than epsilon, it is containing everything. See, sigma 1 AB, sigma 2 AB, BA, BB, sigma 3 this. So A, B, A, AB. So it is going to contain everything, all the combination of sigma, whatever the sigma is. Here our sigma is A comma B. Okay. So it is going to contain all the combination of A comma B except epsilon, because it is an infinite union of sigma 1, sigma 2. Keep on going, but not sigma 0. Now see sigma star. So we have seen sigma plus, it was the infinite union from sigma 1, but it is an infinite union from sigma 0. Okay. So it is an infinite union of sigma 0, sigma 1, sigma. So it is containing epsilon also. So sigma 0 union sigma 1, sigma 2, sigma 3, like this. So epsilon, AB, AA, AB, BA, BB. Okay. So it is going to contain everything. Okay. Sigma star is also called as universal set. All these things we have seen in the prerequisite. What is universal set and all. So since it is containing everything, that's why it is called as universal set. Now number of string possible over sigma is infinite, because we know that when sigma star we are getting infinite number of string. So sigma is, so we can get n number of string whatever sigma is defined. So we can say that sigma star is containing everything. Sigma plus is not containing only epsilon. Okay, so if I will remove from this set epsilon, I will get sigma plus. Okay, from sigma star, if I will remove epsilon, I will get sigma plus. Understood?